Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Safety Harbor local and long-distance movers near me. Our company provides long-distance services to our clients. To make such moves successful, you will require expertise and experience, qualities of which our companies can boast. We also pay a lot of attention and care to your possessions during the move. We can assure you of top-notch security for your items during the relocation process. Our company can boast of responsible and highly trained staff. We are also well equipped to handle the rigors of a long-distance move. Long-distance relocation requires extensive planning to ensure that all items reach the destination without damage, no matter how delicate. And even though your long-distance relocation may land you outside the state, you can rest assured. We can also plan your move to fit into your budget. Our system of operation is customer-centric. We work together with clients to create the perfect moving plan. We are the best local movers anywhere around you in Safety Harbor. Relocating short distances or within the same state can be very complicated, though not as challenging as a long-distance move. We have a system that provides safety and care for all of your properties. We are always available and accessible, dedicated to our duty of serving you. Our system of operation is seamless and flawless. Also, we have affordable hourly rates for our labor. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. 3Movers have excellent customer service and provide every assistance you require. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Safety Harbor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.